So on today's episode, we're going to the house that Fried Chicken built. Lay around for it. So what's up, guys? Popped out. It's a pretty, not the best day or whatever. We done popped out to see what we're gonna do today. So me and the guy, we came. That's the guy. We came to Max's Cuisine of the Philippines. Supposedly, some guy named Maximo Jimenez or whatever was in Vietnam War, and people were coming to his house to have drinks or whatever, and then eventually they started wanting food, and they wanted fried chicken. So I already know what race of people they were. The hoods like fried chicken, black people. All right. So anyway, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna check it out, see what's going on. We'll figure it out, and we're gonna go from there. All right. Let's go. Let's see. Yeah. So, but I mean, they have a. It's pretty cool. I mean, look, guys. They have a nice crowd. So that, I mean, that says something. You know, that says something. All right. What do you think? Okay, we're gonna see how good it's gonna be. You know.
Are we for dining in, sir, or for to go?
I want this to go.
Okay.
Okay, so what are we getting today?
All right, I can tell you what I want.
Yes, sir.
I want
whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy whatever I want. I want a whole chicken.
Okay. You want it chopped or not chopped?
Not chopped.
With
Okay, do you want
in
fries or no fries?
Yeah, I'll take the fries.
Okay.
Then also I want some of the garlic rice.
You want the large or the small one?
Let's try small because I don't know how good it's gonna be.
Okay.
Then we're gonna take the pork belly. You guys have pork belly, correct?
The crispy pata? Is it the crispy pata?
The kawali.
Kawali.
Kawali or ham hock or.
It's in kawali, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what else do you guys recommend?
We have a dessert. We have halo halo.
Halo halo.
What is
It's
that?
a mix. We call it as mix. This one is halo halo. It's a
has
ice on it with condensed milk, ice cream, jackfruit,
coconut or
flan,
the jelly.
and then the jelly thing,
You wanna try it?
Beans.
and the beans. Wanna try it? It's good.
At least it's a lot of fruit. I mean, just one today?
Yeah. And then I guess we'll sit down over there while you guys are preparing it or whatever, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a minute, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna repeat your order. You have the whole chicken, garlic rice, lechon kawali, and halo halo.
Yep. So guys, again, we're at a Filipino restaurant. It's called Max's. I think they're big over in the Philippines, even though they spell it differently. Also, I think they have 19 restaurants, 12 restaurants here in the U.S., but this is the first one in Florida. And they actually came to flipping Jacksonville. I cannot believe that. That's pretty intense. But is Mr. Crum. C-R-U-M.
C-R-U-M.
Yeah, M for Mary. So, you know, we're gonna see what it's like. We're gonna grab it. We're gonna grab it to go, because Mama Homa Beer is at the house. She's hungry, but I have been talking about coming here to try it out, show you guys anything that's cutting edge or new in the city. I'm gonna try to bring it to you guys. All right. So, like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Let's go.
Halo takeout or you gonna dine in?
The Hello is the ice cream.
The ice cream.
Yeah, he can eat that here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So what were you saying, son, about the ketchup or whatever?
How is it banana ketchup?
So guys, they have banana ketchup.
How?
Oh, but guess what? This is familiar. We in Parents, Worcestershire sauce, and we have some hot sauce. God damn it, you know. So hey. So, but it's pretty cool, you know. And maybe something's working. I don't know if it's the new of it, the newness of the restaurant, or if it's really good. But hey, we came out to see, show, and support, so we're gonna figure it out, right? Yeah. So.
We'll give you the rating. We'll give y'all the rating.
Just give them the rating. Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Hopefully it's fast food coming. 'Cause, like, hopefully the food doesn't come so long. Doesn't really. I hope it doesn't really just take 1 hour just for our food to get here.
Yeah, it better not take 1 hour. I'm gonna tell you that right now.
We're gonna give it a worst rating.
Oh.
That's the whole entire thing. If I don't get my food in under 30 minutes, we're giving it a bad rating.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. Yeah, we're good, madam.
Oh, you have that to go or something?
Yeah.
Oh, you get it?
Yeah. You know.
So, Max Restaurant.
This is their first restaurant in Jacksonville.
They're
In the state of Florida.
Ever.
Ever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know if it was like the first restaurant, the first of their restaurant that we saw, or ever in Jacksonville.
Yeah, ever in Jacksonville. Hey, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
I need you to stay here real quick. Okay?
Okay.
Alright? Don't move. And y'all see, like, I literally have he's 9 years old, but I have he's like me and his granddaddy, man. Y'all pray for us, please. Just please, okay? Alright, we'll see y'all soon. Don't forget, man, like, comment, and subscribe, alright? Alright, the Home of Beer channel. Share it too.
Green Jello.
Is it good?
That's good. I never saw purple ice cream. Yeah, it's like cereal on the top.
Probably, it looks like Rice Krispie treats or something. So it probably snaps it a little bit.
Are we ready?
All right, so I think Peyton gives this a thumbs up. Try a little bit of that side.
Yep, I did. That's good.
And then, so we can get the people to review.
That's like Jello. Tastes good. It's like Rice Krispie treats cereal. That's good. The purple ice cream.
Yeah, that must be the bomb diggity. Oh, the Home of Beer channel, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, man. I hang out with the guy, hang out with your children, man, take a place to do stuff with them, man. So every day, this guy right here, he tickles me so much, y'all have no clue. All right, so anyway, I'm gonna let him enjoy this. We're gonna wait for the rest of the food. Watch the video to the end, and we'll tap back in, all right? I need to wipe my eyes because I'm over here crying laughing, all right? All right. Oh, hold it. So, we have our, I done bought a whole bunch of stuff. I don't even really know what I bought at this point. But we are going to get it. We're gonna go to the crib, and we're gonna do some taste tests on it with Mama Hold My Beer, and obviously the guy, myself, and we're gonna tell y'all what we think, you know. But from what I'm seeing and gathering, they have a good crowd, you know. So something must be working. I don't know if it's the newness of the restaurant or the brand name, but hey, it's to the max. And what's strange to me is this is actually kind of like a sit-down restaurant, you know. It's like if you go to a Popeyes or a KFC or whatever, there's really no one or people sitting down, but there are people sitting down here, and a whole bunch of them. Let me show it to you. So, that's a handsome boy right there. He looks like me. So guys, again, went to Max's Chicken, tried it out. So I'm gonna let my family give their opinion on it, and then I'm gonna come back and give you mine. All right. So first up is Junior.
So guys, what I thought about it, it was good. It was good. I'll give it that. It was good. It was some downsides, but mostly it was good. I like the pork belly. I like the sauce with it. And I just like the chicken.
Nope, it's the downside.
The downside is that when I tried the fries, it wasn't like really seasoned.
Okay.
So that's kind of the downside. But overall, it was good.
Okay. So next, what is your opinion about it?
Okay, so I tasted the fried chicken, the French fries, the garlic rice, and I believe we got pork belly too. For me, the pork belly was top tier. It was very delicious. I like the dipping sauce that they give you with it. I also like the kimchi as well, if that's what that is. It was really good. The chicken was just okay. To me, it didn't have a lot of flavor to it. The French fries didn't have a lot of seasoning. The rice was mushy, and I really didn't taste the garlic in the rice. So I would give it like maybe a 6 out of 10, but 10 out of 10 for the pork belly.
All right, guys. So my opinion of it is, I didn't even get a chance to. When I put it down, next thing you know, it's gone. I did try the chicken. Now, when you think of fried chicken, you're thinking of maybe a crispy skin like a KFC or a Popeyes or something along those lines. It is literally like no batter, no flour. They're just frying a whole chicken. And again, I'll agree with what they said. It's really not a lot of seasoning on it. But, you know, for what it is, and probably from their culture, it was all right. Would I eat it again? I definitely would. So, sorry I couldn't show you guys what it looked like out of the box. Because again, once I got here, I dropped it off. They were ready to go. By the time I got everything set up, it was, yeah. So anyway, all in all, it was a good experience. Hope you guys like watching the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next adventure. See you soon. Bye-bye.